Welcome, dear seekers, to our exploration of the profound teachings of the Katha-upanishad. This ancient Vedic text, a dialogue between a young boy named Nachiketa and the god of death, Yama, unveils the secrets to self-realization and liberation. We'll delve into its depths, exploring the nature of the self, the path to liberation, and the chariot analogy that illuminates our journey. Join me, Buddha Fakir, as we embark on this transformative journey, guided by the wisdom of the ancient sages. Let us together awaken to the eternal truth that resides within each one of us. Our story begins with a young boy named Nachiketa who questions the true meaning of life and death. He embarks on a quest for ultimate knowledge, seeking answers from Yama, the god of death himself. Undeterred by Yama's initial reluctance, Nachiketa's unwavering determination leads him to choose the ultimate gift, the knowledge of the self. This profound choice sets the stage for the teachings of the Katha-upanishad. Yama reveals to Nachiketa the eternal and infinite nature of the self, Atman. It is the unchanging reality that underlies our ever-changing experiences, the silent witness to the dance of life and death. Just as the sun cannot be extinguished, the self is beyond birth and death, beyond joy and sorrow. It is the ultimate reality, the source of all existence. How do we realize this eternal self, this boundless awareness within? Yama outlines the path to liberation, a journey of self-discovery and transcendence. Knowledge, meditation, and renunciation become our guiding stars. Renunciation, the letting go of attachments to desires and material possessions, frees us from the cycle of suffering. The Katha-upanishad presents us with two paths, the path of desire, prayer, and the path of knowledge, Shreya. The path of desire, alluring with its promises of pleasure and gratification, ultimately leads to suffering. The path of knowledge, on the other hand, guides us towards lasting happiness and liberation. It requires courage to turn away from the allure of the senses and embark on this path of self-discovery. To illustrate the path to liberation, Yama uses the powerful analogy of a chariot. The body is the chariot, the intellect is the charioteer, the mind is the reins, the senses are the horses, and the self is the passenger. The mind, like the reins, must be held with discipline and focus. The intellect, the charioteer, must guide the chariot skillfully, using wisdom and discernment to navigate the path. The Katha-upanishad emphasizes the importance of a guru, a spiritual teacher, on the path to self-realization. The guru is like a beacon of light, illuminating the path and dispelling the darkness of ignorance. They share their wisdom, insights, and practical guidance, helping the seeker to awaken their own inner wisdom. Finding a true guru is a blessing, a catalyst for spiritual growth and transformation. By understanding and applying these teachings from the Katha-upanishad, we can embark on a transformative spiritual journey. The wisdom of Nachiketa's quest, the nature of the self, and the path to liberation can guide us towards a life of purpose, meaning, and fulfillment. As we integrate these teachings into our daily lives, we begin to experience a profound shift in our perception. Thank you for watching. May the teachings of the Katha-upanishad illuminate your path and lead you towards self-realization.